Hey everyone, Pauline here from Zilch Beauty, certified makeup artist, and today I'm partnering with Subtl to show you a quick and easy back to work makeup look that you can use for those who are starting to go back into the office. I don't know about you, but I am starting to go back in and it can definitely be a little overwhelming for lots of reasons, but getting ready again is also overwhelming. So today I'm gonna walk you through this stack. First things first, I have been absolutely in love with the Sugar Cookie lip balm. I mean, look at that texture. It's very thick, but I like to put it on first when I do a makeup look, just because first off, it smells divine. But it also is so hydrating and so great for the lips, especially if you have to wear a mask throughout the day and you don't really want to put any lipstick or color on. This just gives a sheen finish and it's so nourishing and great for your lips. So I do have a tinted moisturizer on, but I'm gonna go into the concealer here and tap into the foundation brush of the Subtl travel pack. For me, I'm just like to lighten the areas under my eye, a little bit in the middle of my face, and then if you are having any sort of like redness or breakouts, I also feel like you can use this on those areas, and it's really hydrating. And it just still looks like your skin, but it covers very naturally. So I love this foundation brush for that as well. I also just love that you can throw this whole stack into a work bag super quickly along with your travel brushes and you're good to go. Next, I am gonna add a little bit of color to my face. I'm gonna go into the bronzer. I'm in shade Chai and the fluffier face brush from the travel kit. And I am just going to do a little bit of bronzing on my cheeks and hairline. I'm gonna use the travel eyeshadow brush and just use that little bit of bronzer in my crease, just to give a little bit of depth and dimension. If you like a nose contour, you can also use that brush for a little bit of a nose contour. Again, this might be a little bit extra for an everyday look. Also throw some underneath if you want. I also am gonna set my skin a little bit. I'm gonna dip into my shine control powder. I am seeing a little bit of shine underneath my eyes. I'm actually just gonna wipe off any concealer on the back of my brush that I used for my concealer and just tap in here. I do like to tap it off just so it's not overwhelming, and just kind of pack in under my eyes. Because I'm going into the office, I, don't want my concealer sliding or slipping, so I love the shine control powder for that. Next up, I'm gonna go into lip and cheek. I'm just gonna use the shade Perfectly Pink. I love this shade for every day. Look how easy this is to apply. I also think it looks really nice paired with the bronzer. I'm literally just using my fingers here. If you wanna go and throw a little bit on top of that lip balm, you can, but again, totally up to you. And then if you ever feel like you need to kind of like tone down the lines of whatever you did, you can just go in back with that flat brush. All right, finishing up, I'm gonna dip into the dual-sided highlighter. Let's go in with the shade Champagne today. There's Rosé and Champagne. Rosé's a little more pinky, Champagne's a little more gold. I don't know, actually maybe let's mix them. I love mixing them. I'm just gonna pop that right on the top of my cheeks. Again, this will help with like a more fresh, awake look. I'm gonna put a little bit on the top of the nose and make sure I'm blended in. I also love to use this as a little bit of eyeshadow. It's like really easy to apply. It's like a cream shadow almost on the top of that lid. But you could also go into a shade like Jelly and go in and apply some of that shimmer shade with the flat side of the eyeshadow brush and apply that on the inner corner. I'm just gonna add some mascara and gel my brows out, and then I'll be all set. Super easy. All right, and there you have it, a quick, easy back to the office look. Super natural, very pretty, very fresh, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out Subtl and their stack collections. They're customizable, buildable, and perfect for the girl or the guy on the go.